Getting started on Discord after signing up is straightforward. Follow these steps to complete your setup and make the most of your experience. Step 1. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Discord. Click on the verification link to confirm your account. This step is essential to unlock all features and ensure account security. Step 2. Set up your profile. Open Discord and log in. Click on the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left corner to access user settings. There, you can customize your profile by adding a profile picture, changing your username, and setting a status message. Step 3. Join or create a server. To start interacting with others, you can either join an existing server or create your own. Click on the plus icon on the left side to create a new server, or select Join a server to enter an invite link for an existing one. Step 4. Configure your privacy settings. In User Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab. Review and adjust your privacy settings according to your preferences, such as who can send you friend requests and direct messages. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with Discord features. Explore the various features available, such as voice channels, text channels, and direct messaging. Take some time to learn how to use reactions, mentions, and other tools to enhance your communication with others. Now that you've completed this setup, you're ready to dive into the Discord community. Enjoy connecting with friends and exploring new servers.